the ultimate guide to lead magnets to grow your email subscribers. Lead magnets are the most effective means to boost the number of your email subscribers. Not having a good lead magnet can seriously impact the sale of your business. In this video, we are sharing with some result-delivering lead magnet ideas. So let's start. Number 1. Template. The template is not necessarily for web pages, but it could be anything that provides some sort of starting points and the user has to fill in the blanks. Number 2. Toolkit. The toolkit is a very popular and useful lead magnet for the business. This can be something that acts as a starter kit, templates or glossary of things that you will happy to have. Number 3. Web app. The web application is an effective way of improving user experience. It exists on your website and users have to log in the app first to access its benefits. Whenever you will go to use Grammarly, you will get a pop-up as presented below to install the different versions of Grammarly according to your browser cache. Number 4. Tutorial. A tutorial is a piece of informative content which teaches how to do a specific thing. Tutorials could be video or simply PDF having a list of steps. Number 5. Infographic. Infographics are effective lead magnet that has chances of getting subscribers. And the reason behind this is infographics perform well on social media. Number 6. Free shipping. Free shipping is one of those benefits which everyone wants to gain while shopping online. So, if someone is very close to purchasing a deal, by offering free shipping you can simply seal the deal. So, I hope you find this video useful. If you are looking SEO expert and digital marketing company, so hurry up, contact F5Buddy or drop us an email at contact@f5buddy.com.